Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to hide component. As example, I will insert component, and if you want to hide the component, you can select the component object, right click and then choose hide. To show, you can go to edit menu, click unhide and then click all. The other option, you also can use tag tools. Okay, you can click on the tag, click these icons to create new tag. So we create with this default text, and then you can select the object, go to entity info, and then you can change text into this text. After it, you can go back into text and then click this icon to hide. To show, you can click again this icon. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial how to hide component. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.